Hi friends, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to Crystal DIY. So in today's episode I'll be teaching you how you can make your brown soap. Are you seeing how beautiful this soap is? I'll be teaching you how you can make this beautiful soap. If this is your first time of coming to my channel, please like, subscribe and give an encouraging comment. I'll be teaching you how to make soap with just 3 ingredients, which is your soda ash and caustic soda and your oil. These 3 ingredients is the main basic for this soap production. All of us know that soda ash is quite expensive in the market now. Then it's quite expensive and other products, so we are trying as much as possible to reduce the cost of our production in order for us to maximize our gain. Yes, what we are adding is just little quantity of soda ash. Yes, and also in this soda ash there is also salt in it to help it to harden, so you can also add salt to your own. Salt is not expensive, and our calcium carbonate is not expensive. Then our caustic soda and the oil. So I'll be teaching you how you can make that for your soap. You can use this recipe for your soap. This brown soap is really moving in the market. I think I dropped a video where you can learn how to make your brown soap color. Yes, I will drop the link of that video in the comments in the description below, so you can, if you don't know how you can make your brown color, you can click to it and wash it. Yes, so that is exactly what we are doing. If you want to learn this recipe, just watch this video from beginning to end. Yes, so what we use for this, the oil that we use for this production is actually red oil and little quantity of PKO. Red oil and little quantity of PKO. Yes, then a lot of people complain that when you use PKO, for example, if you're using red oil to make soap, that it doesn't come out well as you want it. No, it comes out well. What you have to do is to increase the quantity of caustic soda. This is one of the things I teach in my class, but I'm teaching it free here. Yes, you have to increase the quantity of caustic soda you're adding while making soap with red oil, your bleach red oil, to make it hard. Yes, so if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. And if you want to register for an online class on how to make laundry soap, bathing soap, skincare formulation, how to make your cream, your body butter, your face cream, your body moisturizer and all that, we have an ebook for that, which will guide you in your skincare formulation journey. Yes, so you are seeing what I'm doing. I've added my foaming booster. You can make your own foaming booster yourself. I think I have a couple of videos here where I make a foaming booster. You can also make a SLS, dissolve it in a water, use salt or sodium sulfate to thicken it. It will now be your foaming booster. I think I have a video here in this channel where you can watch it and learn how to do it. Then I'm adding my perfume to this production. So this is after adding the perfume. Then we will now shift it aside and do the remaining. Enjoy your washing. But if you haven't subscribed for this channel, please subscribe, like, give an encouraging comment. If you want to learn how to make soap as a profession, if you want to start a soaping factory, a mini soaping factory, contact me on the WhatsApp number on the screen that I drop on the screen, so that we can discuss so that you will start the training as soon as possible. Can you see what I'm doing? Yes, you register for class, you will learn how to make soap as a professional. Yes, so now I'm going to add in my caustic soda solution. I've already dissolved my caustic soda solution. I'm going to add it in. I'm going to drop the recipe of this soap making in the screen, and also drop it in the description below. If you didn't see it in the screen, make sure you watch it, you check it on the description below. I'm dropping it on the screen for people that doesn't know where the description is, but you really need to learn how to get to the description, because I normally drop a lot of things in the description, some related videos that you can watch that will help you in this soaping journey. Yes, we also have cutter, mini cutter for sale. If you want our cutter, we use it to cut soap, we have it for sale. Chat me on the WhatsApp number there so that you can order for your cutter. We deliver to everywhere, to Ghana, Nigeria, all parts of Nigeria. We deliver to Abuja, Nasarawa, north, west, east, all over the country. Yes, are you seeing how creamy and how beautiful our soap is now? Are you seeing it? We are going to pour it. Yes, for those of you that is complaining that if you make soap with red oil, that it doesn't it's not that hard, try as much as possible to increase the quantity of your caustic soda. Then again, if you want to start the soap making as a business, you really need to register for our online class on how to make laundry soap for you to come out well, to come out standard. We are going to give you a recipe that will be top notch, that will be competing with that will have the same standard in the one we have in the market. Yes, so this is exactly what we are doing. Our soap is ready. We cover it for 24 hours. We cut our soap and stamp it. Thank you. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. It's a way of encouraging me to do more videos for you guys. Thank you so much, and enjoy the rest of the video.